welcome back. Here we go again. Honest unboxing. This time we're doing an FMU by SPA Turbos. Now, if you have not heard of SPA Turbos, I suggest check them out. From what I understand, they're a Brazilian company, and they do some pretty cool stuff with Volkswagen. Not that I'm a huge fan of Volkswagen, but hey, to each their own. There it is. I believe that is -6 AN. High flow, it's meant for carburetor. 0 to 30 PSI. Let's see if they include. Clean up our area here. There you go. See, they make all sorts of neat stuff. Interesting, they actually do some Chevy. They got turbos. No, I'm not sponsored by them. I just think it's cool to shout the company out. I didn't realize that they made all the stuff that they make. And here we are up in here. Yeah, it's going to be 6 AN. So, this one is 0 to 30 PSI. Because we're running with a max of 30 PSI, ironically. And I believe it's adjustable up to 14.1. This was $65 on eBay. I'll put a link in the description. Nothing really fancy, and I don't have a lot for you here. Vacuum gauge, in, out, you know, depending on how you want to run it. It can be set up for low pressure fuel injection. It can also be set up for carburetors. But there you go. There you have it. I'm pretty excited to give this one a try. Oh, look, it even says SPA on it. Sweet. So we're not talking like full on China. I believe, like I said, I believe it's Brazilian. I don't see a made in anywhere. They're saying since 1990. US, Brazil, Mexico, China, SPA Turbo, wherever that's going to be at. So I'll put an annotation somewhere when I figure it out. But yeah, I'm pretty stoked to give this a try. So thanks for watching.